Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Stood down by Rockstar Benidorm. Not too sure if they're still doing the scan the barcode on a table to place your order or what. Remember when ever done that? Stupidest idea ever. Cause I mean, if you ain't got Wi-Fi or data, then you're fucked, ain't you? Gonna see how busy Strip is today. Gonna try cross over as I'll get over onto this side by the DIY shop. Bit of an oddly placed shop, but still. Anyway, as I said, Rockstar's there. Apparently all sports shown live. Wonder if that's true or just a bit of false advertising. Jumping jacks there. Dead today, so wonder what's happening. They are quiet. To be more precise, they're unusually quiet. And now guys, we're coming up on Benidorm's smallest bar. There you have it, guys. Benidorm's smallest bar. Rover's return. I really wonder what the hell happened there, because I mean, they were doing pretty well, and now look at them. Tiniest bar in Benidorm. God. Scruffy Murphy's there if you're Irish. Quick look at the special day. I think you can get 2 WKDs, Smirnoff Ice, Breezers, Bud or Corona for 2 for a £5. That a good offer, or was it a load of crap? Comment down below. Not sure what temperature is today either. Well, if I did say temperature, I'll probably be accused of bullshitting anyway. So, I ain't gonna say it. Andy's simply the best as well. That's dead. Yorkshire Pride's dead as well. God's sake. What is going on with Benidorm? Bloody dead down there. Oh, bit of news, guys. Bit of news. There's a wildfire approaching Benidorm, so we all might die. Bloody hell. Am I seeing this? Even White Star Bar's blooming dead. So I guess all that's left to say is maybe not bother coming Benidorm in August, because it's dead. It is literally so quiet. I thought that place will be even by now. I mean, nice day, sunny. I thought it would be even. And look at it, it is quiet. Even when the pool area is looking quiet, now coming down past the smelly as hell bins. Funny that our Benidorm still stinks of all sewage, shit, piss, puke, but some reason they spend 30 million euro on a advertisement board, which isn't even what they said it would be. Funny that, they said it would be a Las Vegas styled advertisement board for Benidorm. It's more just like a tin can with LEDs sellotape round it. Secret fountain up there, guys. I believe they've got a swimming pool up there you can use as well, so you can have there chilling, getting drunk and sitting in the pool. You also do, of course, have Don Quidro mini golf course, which, shame to say, still abandoned. They ain't done up with it yet.
Hey, speak Spanish. Viva Benidorm.
Bit stupid why they ain't done anything with it. I mean, in a good area, couple your way, do it up all nice, clean it up a bit, new arcade in there, completely revamp it, and they could make it into what it used to be. Gonna cross the road again and show you Bug Paradise. Yep, so dear Bart, get to pick which bug you take home as a pet. Honestly, surprised the place ain't been shut down and cleaned out. Got Ollie Mears tribute act on tonight, a Queen tribute act, and ABBA, finishing off you got Leroy Smokes. Probably be a good night. Just maybe take some insect repellent in there with you. But they as well, hopefully they'll be busier tonight. I don't know how many bars like this place that actually open of an afternoon. Bit weird that, but got the dentist here as well if you've been in a punch up with the bouncers or the Spanish cops. Then Chaplin's homosex. Literally homosex, I mean. It's the only bar where you can go and watch some bird pull a pack of razors out of fudge. Then some lad and lass doing it on segways. Then watch a female stripper all in the same night. That's what makes Benidorm Benidorm. And as well for the ladies, if you've had enough of Dutch rat in your life, i.e. your husband, they've got magic boys on as well. Tickets sold at the bar, and you can call the WhatsApp number there. I'll just zoom in on that so you cannot pause it and read it. Apparently, Spain's hottest male strip show, meant to be a good night for the ladies. Or, yeah, go check it out. Anyway, gonna end the video because Matt Mike stood there impatiently because, you know, he's the perfect YouTuber. So, see you in the next one, guys. Adios.